Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix the Minecraft error code 1 or the exit code 1. So I will show you the 3 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So let's move to our first method. You have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for the percentage app data percentage and then click OK. So here you have to just click on the .minecraft folder and click to open it. And here just search for the modes option. So once you find it, you have to just double click to open it. Basically you have to just select here for all of the modes and then right click here and then click on the delete. Basically you have to just delete all of the modes right here. Once you're done, you have to just close this window and right click on your recycle bin and then click to empty your recycle bin. After that, restart your Minecraft and your problem will be fixed. And the second method is that you have to just repair your installation of the Minecraft. After this, your problem will be fixed. Last and the final solution is that you have to just check for the update. If any update is available for Minecraft, then you have to just update it. So that's all for this video. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. At the end, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.